Alright, fellow people of YouTube, this is MiltonWATech99 here, and today I have my PC right here, a box to open, as well as a screwdriver, Phillips head, an SLI bridge that came with my motherboard, and the power supply cables that came with my power supply. So I'm assuming this is going to lead you to what I'm unboxing today, but we'll let the video title and description take care of that. So for now, let's open the chassis and get what's ever in there in here. Wow, that's a mess. At least compared to what it was, it's still a mess. Let's see, a couple of probes there. Alright, now that the case is open, we can open the box. Yep, guys, it is yet another GTX 960 super clocked edition. So I'm going to be putting these cards into SLI and hope I get the best results out of it. Oh, hey, there's that. Now to break open the safeties without hurting myself, or not. Let me open it this way instead, by simply just using force. Whoops. Let me make sure that's everything. Yep. Everything right there. See, just like the last one, we have the user guide. Well, it looks like a demo manual or whatever. The ACX 2.0 Plus fan, well, you know, papers. An extra installation disc for the drivers. This EVGA poster, 2 EVGA stickers, and the graphics card itself. Alright, here's the extra DVI to VGA connector. You guys can see that, depending on my camera angle. Here's the, 8, what it looks like, let me see. Yep, it's an 8-pin, or should I say, 2 4-pins to an 8-pin, or vice versa. So I'll take care of these real quickly. Alright, there's all of that. I can go off to the side here. Sorry, my bed's dirty. I'm going to my mom's for the weekend soon after this. Come on, make it easy. Alright, there's all the sealed up connections. So let's take off the DVI connector. If I even remember how the heck to do this stuff, it's that easy. Put those in there. Here's the, oops, I get that. Alright, there's the 3 DisplayPort connectors and the HDMI connector. So there's all the, I wouldn't want to say I/O ports, but just O ports for out. Let's see. Yep, take that off. Take off the plastic protection on the actual fans now. Alright, just the plastic. Unfortunately, I do not have long nails, so this is not very easy. Not sure if these have their own protectors on there or not. Believe there are. Or maybe not. Alright. There's the PCI protector, backplate protector, and the SLI protector. And yeah, I believe there is a protective film on these. So let me skip ahead and see if I can take these off. Alright guys, and as you possibly just saw, that was definitely the case. They sure do come off. Everything else seems to be off and the card's ready to go in. Alright, these two PCI slots are ready to come out. Hopefully that is the right one. Or those are the right ones, which I believe they are. See if I can even fit this in here. I believe I should, if these SATA cables aren't going to be a problem. Which they probably are. I'm trying not to bend any of the ports. So hopefully that is not the case. Get my wordplay there. Trying not to bend anything here. That was probably not the right thing. God, I really hope I'm not breaking anything. Sorry if this makes you guys cringe. Alright, let's retry that. Alright, that should be better. Just slid right in, so that's a great sign. And it looks like the holes are lining up. Alright, there's that. And I just forgot there's also a protective film on these as well, as far as I know. So let me take those off real quickly. And I think I forgot to take the ones off this side. So I'll go ahead and do all that right now and skip right ahead. Alright guys, all the protective film is taken off. Yes, I forgot to take off all the protective film here along the first graphics card when I installed it. So now that that's good, I'm going to flip it over to the other side to get into all the wires. Be ready for an atrocious scene. Starting with the case popping off like this, so you know that's a bad sign. Yep. Not much I can really do about it because the power supply cables are so thick. But let me find one of my... Yep, right here. Oops. Alright, yep, this is one of my... By the looks of it. Maybe not, I don't know. Now maybe that is one, but I probably just used the wrong configuration. Possibly there's a CPU cable. Oops. Maybe this is right, I just used the wrong cables on one, but it's too late now, so I'll just use two separate cables, if possible. Let me see what I'm working with. Alright, that's better. wouldn't want to bother switching out all the cables or putting in an extra port to let loose or whatnot, if that even makes sense to you guys. Oh well. Pretty sure that'll be long enough. Now I'm going to see if I can even fit this cable under here. Which, yes, is very possible. See, plug that in. Then plug in the 2-pin. Alright, loop it around the underneath. Put it right back in here. Alright. Yep. Just stick right in there. And I guess I might as well tie it down. I'm not sure. That one looks pretty ghetto now. You know what? Oh well. For now, I'm just going to loop it under a couple of cables. Don't take my advice. Oops, this came unplugged as well. And I believe that's it, power-wise. And now here's the worst part of it. Trying to fit this case back on. This side, especially. Alright, good there. Now I can take out the SLI bridge. I might get a new SLI bridge, I don't know. I think this one will work out for me for now. But I'm pretty sure this will mark the completion of my computer anyways. Now let me see, one there. And one there. Alright guys, the SLI bridge is in, so now I'm going to hook it all up, run it up, see how it performs. Alright everyone, SLI is enabled, the bridge is on as you can see, and the second graphics card is working perfectly. It's now maximizing 3D performance, every program recognizes it, it runs better than ever. So let me open up Precision X. Recognizes both of the GPUs and it dedicates the NVIDIA SLI function. Fans are synced. So life's great. By the way, Big Red is now finished officially. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys for the next episode.